Alright, YouTube, here for an unboxing. Alright, YouTube, this is going to be my 511 LVC18. Here we go. So, again, it's LVC18 2.0, and it's the iron gray. So right here it says CCW ready. So this backpack is ambidextrous depending on if you're left or right-handed. And then right here is going to be for holding your pistol down. And you can have it set up to be on the left or right side. And it opens up completely on the outside pocket, outermost pocket. It's gonna look like that. Has an admin pouch up here. You just undo that Velcro and there's an admin pouch you can access. There's two little small pouches right here. There's going to be some magazine pouches, and then two pen pouches, pen or marker pouches. At the top is a zipper for another pouch back here, and then right here's a little clip thing for like keys or something like that. Up top, there's two more pouches, or two more compartments. So this is going to be their laptop, or not laptop, pocket up here along with felt, so for your eyewear. So for me, that's going to be this, which helps out a lot because I don't have a protective case for it. So those will be up there. They're my shooting glasses, and they are rated for shooting. So there's a zipper in here, pouch like that. And then there's a zipper up here for the mesh pouch. And then it goes all the way really deep in there. And then the last zipper up here, this should be the laptop compartment. Alright, so that's for your laptop. Obviously this undoes. And then you have your laptop pouch. And that stops short, so that way you're not destroying your laptop if you set your bag down. And then this pouch compartment goes all the way down. Obviously it has your stay fresh in there, so that way you can see what's inside of your backpack. It's going to be like a OD green color, I guess is what you would call it. And then the actual backpack is gray, so that way you can see a difference and see it better in low light, or just it'll stand out better. And then on the outside of the backpack, you're going to have your strap for strapping down like a jacket or a tent or bivy tent or whatever. For me, what I put on there is a med kit with tourniquet, that type of med kit, Israeli bandages, that kind of thing, chest seal, whatnot like that. And then the back of the backpack is going to have its padding, and it has like a hard cover thing in there to keep everything protected that's inside of your backpack. It's going to have a chest sternum strap. Does not have a bottom waist strap, but it has the ability to attach one. You can always buy one if you want. All these 511 tags are tuckable, so just something to keep in mind. You can tuck all of them, which is something that I'm going to do. I'm pretty sure all of them tuck away, so you can just tuck them inside, and then pull them out if you want. Obviously, I'm going to tuck them all inside. It's a gray backpack, so that way it doesn't stand out that much. And concealed weapons backpack, if you want to do like everyday carry thing. It's not big. It's not a big backpack, and you can conceal carry a big firearm in it, like a full size 10mm or something like that. Alright, YouTube, see ya.